To take off the center console for a manual transmission CRZ, start by taking off this screw right here. Pop these off right here along the side. Pop off the manual shifter bezel. So I literally just used this trim removal tool, tucked it in, came off just like that. Don't forget to take off the little cover. That goes in the center, like right here, where the emergency brake is. Once that's off, you gotta unscrew this screw right there, and that one right there as well. It was a bit of a struggle, but next thing you gotta do is pop off this piece in front of the cup holders. I did it by getting a finger right here and just pulling it. Pulled it along right here, and this just came out after that. Pops right off, there's no screws. Next thing you gotta do is unscrew this screw right here and this screw right here. Once you do that, you can just pull off the left and right silver trim pieces like so. Okay, the center console is almost ready to come out. You want to pull out 1, 2, and 3 screws here, and then a screw on the side right here, and one on the right side as well too. And you can start to yank this out and see how it comes out like this. I'm gonna need both hands, so I'm gonna put the phone down. Alright, there we go. One center console out. I did this because I just wanted to deep clean the interior. I already did the left side. Right side still pretty dirty. I pulled the seat on the left already. Look at that, years of crap.